friends, Running Kimono here. So we are doing a curbside pickup video over at Walgreens. I apologize that this did not come out on Monday. I usually always publish these on Monday, but I was at Walmart for hours, and the hours turned into more hours. So the purpose of this video is to order the stuff at Walgreens through a desktop computer, a cell phone, or tablet. You're hitting that button on the left-hand side with the red check, and then going to the store and picking it up. And sometimes you can get a cheaper deal doing it that way. If you're the kind of shopper that likes register rewards and stacking boosters, and you just like to be in the store to look around, you're like, it's more my speed, what I recommend is to watch the video I published on Sunday. I'll link it at the very end, but I basically go through the best deals of the week, and this is what I would do. And then register rewards, those little paper things, you get them only when you do the in-store deals, like, buy 2 of the Dawn soaps, get $1 back. So this is different kind of shopping, but if you're more into the in-store stuff, watch this video linked at the end. Okay, so now we have deal number 1. We are going to need this friend loaded, which is a 5 back when you spend 2 on beauty products. And this is of a one-time use, so if you already used it, sadly, you won't get the extra $5 on this deal. So with the Gold Bond lotion, we're going to grab 2 of them to equal to $20. The weekly promotion for this is to spend 20, get back 10. So at $12.49 and $7.99, we've hit that mark. So as you can see, we have some digital coupons that are attaching. We have a $2 and a $1.50. And if you look down below, 5 back when you buy 2. So there it is. I actually threw a bunch of these into a basket this morning, which is Tuesday the 9th, and it's still working. These are the coupons that you're going to load, a $1.50 and a $2. Now, I want to mention something. There's also an IBOTTA rebate for $1 back. However, the IBOTTA rebate excludes the use of a coupon. So, sometimes they can get super strict with us. So I would pass on that. But say you don't have the digital coupons, that's an alternative where you can pick up an extra $2 if you don't have any digital coupons on your account. Hey guys, so looking at the basket here, it's $20.48. So we've reached our mark for spending 20 to get back 10 on Gold Bond. Curbside pickup is free. We have a bit of tax and $3.50 in digitals melting off right there. So with a debit card or a credit card, pay $18.21, and then you're getting back $15.20 in Walgreens cash. 10 for spending 20 on Gold Bond, and then the extra 5 for buying 2 beauty care products that include both of these lotions. When you're picking out your lotions, please make sure that tag of, buy 2 beauty products, get back 5 is appearing. And this deal for the Gold Bond can only be done as a curbside. In store, you will not get back the 5 back when you spend 20 on beauty. It is a curbside exclusive only. Okay, so deal number 2, I tested Gold Bond this morning, and I also tested this one, just to let you know. So you're going to need this, which is 5 back when you buy 2 beauty products, so hopefully you still have it on your store account. And we're going to grab 2 of these beautiful L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascaras. Special shout out to Bargain Buster over on Instagram. She posted this last Sunday, and this is in fact her deal, and it's a fire one. So for 2 of these, it's $16.48. It's one of their top tier mascaras by L'Oreal. So if you've ever wanted to try some fancy stuff, this one is for you. Have this digital coupon loaded, which is a 10 back when you buy 2. Not only one of my accounts had it, so it might be a rare one to track down. And as you can see, there's a code L'Oreal4 to save an extra $4. So looking at this, the 2 mascaras is $16.48. The L'Oreal code for an extra $4 off. The $10 digital melting off right there. So with your debit card or credit, pay $3.23 and you're getting back 5. So it makes it a little money maker. As your manufacturer is over $10, I know here in Michigan, you don't have to get to that $10 mark for this curbside pickup because you've already achieved it. Okay, so deal number 3, we're going to get away from those beauty deals. This one is just a meat and potatoes. We're going to throw in 3 of the Scott toilet paper. It is on a promotion of buy one, get one 50% off. Now, they kind of changed things around on us, guys. The paper towel is no longer part of this promotion, which is weird. It's just $5. I've noticed that. So It's kind of strange. We have this coupon, and hopefully you have the same one as I, which is a $2 off a 2, and we're going to use it on the toilet paper. So for this one, throwing 3 of these toilet papers into your basket, it's $12.50. And free curbside pickup, 75 cents in tax, and the $2 digital melting off, $11.25. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it, and pay $1.25 for 3 toilet papers. I think that's a very good deal. Okay, so the final deal that we have is just a hodgepodge of stuff. We're going to be grabbing 2 of your favorite. That is the L'Oreal Elvive shampoos on a buy one, get one 40% off at $8.78. We have a $3 off a 2 manufacturer, which is a very good coupon. And there's also an IVC, which is a Walgreens store coupon, the 3 off a 2. So that's $6 off of that fancy shampoo. Wow. We're also going to get 2 of the Scott's toilet paper, because you always need toilet paper. And then Load Your Best Friend, which is a 2 off a 2. I'm not sure if Shopmium might have a 2 back when you buy 2 on Scott. You might want to check that out. And in case you don't have this coupon. And then we're going to grab 1 of the clearance Dollar Shave Club, and then 1 of the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers, priced at $3.49 and $3.29. Load the $2 for the Magic Eraser. And then for the Dollar Shave Club, we have a $3.50 off of 1 of the products, and it's working with the clearance. So how exciting is that? So looking at the overall basket, guys, here's the Magical Chorus line of digital coupons that's coming off. Quite a few, to say the least. And then we have our overall basket for $23.06. $3 IVC for the L'Oreal Elvive coming off, free curbside pickup, a bit of tax, and $8.49 in digitals coming off. $12.77. I would pay $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $2.77 and call this a very good deal. And just a meat and potatoes sort of a deal. So yesterday, which was Monday the 8th, Walmart hit 90% off on remaining Christmas merch. And if you really start digging through the ladies section with socks, the men's section with socks, end caps, sky shelves, you really can still find a lot of stuff. It's how much effort you're going to put into this. I even was able to get that Tree Hut Candy Cane body wash for 20 cents. I get into the mechanics on how to make this magic happen. And I paid, I think, about $42 for like a giant cart full of stuff, all stuff for next year. I really love Walmart Christmas. Walmart and Dollar General are my 2 favorites. And I know that Meijer grocery store, which is here in the Midwest, also hit 90 on Tuesday the 9th. So if you want to skedaddle over there, if you found nothing at Walmart, maybe possibly Meijer will be your store. And then I know that the 16th, we're anticipating the Dollar General quarter sale. And that same week, which is next week, maybe Big Lots will also hit 90. So we'll have to wait and see how those 2 play out. I still don't have any firm info, but if you are a Christmas clearance shopper, get out there and make it happen. I'll link this video also right here, my Walmart haul. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.